Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 3. The following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Now the question is that change the distribution to a more than type distribution and draw its value. Here there are two tasks. First one is we need to convert this distribution to more than type distribution, and the second task is that we should draw the value. Now here production yield, these many quintals per hectare, so this is the given data, and number of farmers also. Now here let us start solving this problem. First let us write this first row as the first column, that is this can be taken as class interval, right? Let us write the given values. Those are 50 to 55. Now number of farmers, this can be taken as Fi or frequency. 2. It is more than type class intervals. We can write here it as, see, it is more than or equal to 50. So let us write here more than or equal to, here we should take the lower value, that is lower class interval, that is 50, lower limit of the class interval. So more than or equal to 50. Similarly, more than or equal to here 55, more than or equal to here this one is 60, more than or equal to 65, right? Now we are going to find the cumulative frequency. Here you need to understand that for the more than type, here more value should come. That means for the more than type, here more value is required. That is the reason we can start adding from the bottom. So let us write the 16 first here. 16 plus here 38. 16 plus this 38 is 54. 54 plus this 24 is 78. 78 plus this 12 is 90. 90 plus this 8 is 98. 98 plus 2 is 100. This is how we can draw the cumulative frequency. We are going to write the points to be plotted. We write it as x comma y. Here you see these 2 points can be written side by side. These 2 points 50 comma 100. This 50 comma 100. And the second point has 55 comma 98. 60 comma 90. 65 comma 78. Now we are going to draw the table. consider it as x-axis. This as y-axis, and here x-axis and y-axis both intersected. This is O, origin 0, 0. Now here on x-axis we have to take class boundaries, and on y-axis we should take cumulative frequency. Now here let us observe the given question. These are the values on x-axis: 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So here let us take the values here like this: 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, and then 75. The corresponding y values, if you observe, 16, 54, 78, 90, 98 and 100. So here let us consider these values as, here I am taking this as 5, 10. So let us write scale on x-axis 1 centimeter I am taking as 25 units. See here 0 to 50, here this middle value will be 25. So here I am taking 1 centimeter as 25 units, and on y-axis I am taking 1 centimeter as 5 units. 1 centimeter is 5 units. Now let us start plotting these points. See, the first one is 50, 100. Here is 50. See, here is 50. If we move up here, see, here is 100. So this point is 50, 100. 50, 100. Now let us see second point. The second point is 55, 98. See, here it is 55. On this 55 we should reach 98. See, here it is 95. This point is 95. Here to here 10 mm is divided as 5 units. So here 2 mm will be 1 unit. So here this is 95. Leave one line, this is 96. Leave one line, this is 97. Leave one line, this is 98. So this point indicates, here observe very carefully, this point indicates, see, here is y coordinate is 98 and the corresponding x coordinate is 55. So here this point is 55, 98. Let us see third point here. Third point is 60, 90. See, here is 60. Here is 60. You move on the 60 and here is 90. So this is 60, 90. 60, 90. Clear? Now let us see next point is 65, 78. Here is 65. If you go on like this, here is 65 and 78. 78 is required. Here you see, this is 75, right? You come on this line. Here this is 65 and 75. See, this is 75. this is 75 and this is 65, but we need 78. So here leave one line, this is 76, leave one line, this is 77, leave one, this is 78. This is 65 comma 78. Let us check here. See on this line, if you come down, see this is 65, right? Now same way, if you go here, this will be 78, you see here. See, observe here. Here you got, this is 76, this is 76 and 77, 78. So this point exactly is 78. Now let us see next point, that is 70 comma 54. 70 comma 54. Let us start from here. 70 comma 54. So here from this side you see 54. That means from 55 we should come 2 lines down. Okay, so that here this is 54. If you go on this line, and here this is, this point is, this point, this is 70 comma 54. Let us verify. Here you see this point, if you go down, see this is 70, and this point, if you go left side on the y axis, this is 54. Clear? 2 lines below 55. Now next point, there is a last point, 75 comma 16. See here, this is 75, this is 75, this is 5, 10, 15, and leave one line. The next line is, this will be 75 comma, sorry, here, let us write 75 comma, this point you observe, this point, if you come here, you see this side, this is 16. So this point is 75 comma 16. Now here all the points are plotted. See here, all the points are plotted. 50 comma 100, this one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and then sixth one. Now let us join these points with free hand or by using scale, no problem. So this is what? More than type cumulative frequency curve, or we can say more than type cumulative frequency WOSEV. So here with this problem gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.